Hi, my name is RoslynBazzelle. Thank you so much for joining me on my channel today. If you haven't already, please subscribe, hit that button below so you get notified when we have new posts out and videos. And we're so excited today to be celebrating Heart Month with the American Heart Association. And we're gonna be featuring today an amazing dinner of blackened fish with a kiwi and strawberry salsa. That's heart healthy. It's actually pretty easy and quick to make, and it's good for you. So we have a filleted fish, and so we want to use a white flaky fish. So I'm using tilapia today, but it could also be a flounder or a sole. And for our blackened mix, we're using salt, garlic powder, cumin, chili powder, and paprika. For our salsa, we have a little cilantro. This is diced cucumbers, kiwi, and strawberries. So we'll start making our mix for our spices and he's so excited about doing the salt. So just a little bit of salt, it's just a half of a teaspoon. So for the paprika, we're gonna have 2 teaspoons. Now that we got all of our spices blended together nicely, we're gonna dip our fish in it and coat it. So let's take each piece. Are you ready, Derek, to make the kiwi and strawberry salsa? Okay.
Yes.
So what is gonna be our first ingredient? You get to pick.
Okay,
go ahead. Put the strawberries in the bowl. Well, thank you so much for joining us today. We were so excited to make this amazing dish, blackened tilapia with kiwi and strawberry salsa, a wonderful heart-healthy meal that is very easy and simple to make. So if you haven't already, make sure that you join my channel whenever you can. Hit that button below and you will get first notice on when we have a new video up that's going to be featuring fashion, fitness, or food. Derek, got anything else you want to add?
Yes.
What?
What's a pirate's favorite song?
I don't know.
Shake, 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 shake your booty, shake your booty. And that's a real song.
Have a great day. Thanks for joining us.